Hi, I'm John Bentley with Earth and Turf Attachments, and we're here today because we want to talk to you about our snow blades. Now, it's a beautiful day today, at least it's cold and it's pretty, but tomorrow, after tonight it's getting cold, tomorrow we're going to get anywhere from 3 to 7 inches of snow, so we're getting ready for the snow that's coming. But let's talk about this blade. This is our 60-inch clamp-on blade, and we make them anywhere from 60 to 96 inches. We have all of our blades have this unique underframe that goes underneath the bucket. The bucket stays down here and then it goes in underneath these rods to keep it tight. Then basically you just tighten it up with these handles on the side on your clamp system. But what it does is when the bucket's sitting here and this clamps down, it's actually sandwiching that between the bucket, making the bucket stiffer, making it more durable. So you don't have any worries about bending a bucket. This has a 30-degree angle left and right just by pulling this pin, and you can angle it right or left. And then this is your main pivot right up here, which has a little bit of play in it so you get end-to-end abilities to follow the contour of the ground. This is a 48-inch bucket, and this is what a 60-inch plow goes on because when you angle any of our plows, any of our clamp-on plows, depending on the width of the plow, you can use anywhere from 8 to 10 inches. These smaller ones are about 8, the bigger ones are closer to 10. So we want to make sure that we're at least 12 inches wider than the bucket when you buy a plow. So Tim's going to start the tractor up, we're going to put it on and show you how it goes on, and then we'll go from there. Go ahead, Tim. You see how the rods go underneath the bucket? Just roll it back now, Tim. You want to pick it up and you want to roll it back to make sure that everything is all the way in. Make sure that the plow is all the way down. Then you stop there, and you just turn it on. Now we just basically these go back and forth, so you can tighten the blade up on here. Just tighten these down on either side. We're not going to do it all the way, but we're not going to tighten it all the way down. But see that goes down, and it just basically clamps onto your bucket. And then when it's nice and snug, you're ready to plow. You do that on both sides. So again, this is our 60-inch bucket. We designed all of our springs for our compact plows. We design them ourselves, and the reason we design them ourselves is we want to make sure when it's a full spring trip, make sure that when it trips, it doesn't trip too early. We don't use too light a spring. We use a proper tension spring. This also has a bolt-on reversible cutting edge. The bolt-on reversible cutting edge is a nice feature because when you wear out one side, and there's about 1.5 inches of wear on each side, you can basically take the bolts off, turn the cutting edge all the way over, and now you got a second cutting edge out of one blade. So we make sure that you're getting the most for your money. So that's our products for the plows, and you can contact us and find out more